plus 3x plus 2. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 2 and here is plus, so addition is 3, and the factors are 2 and 1. When you multiply these two we get 2, and when you add these two we get 3. So what we can write here, x square plus, in the place of 3 we have to write 2 plus 1. Two factors are 2 and 1, so we have to write 2 plus 1. Here is x, so x plus 2 plus 2. Now you can see here x square plus, open the bracket, 2 into x, 2x plus 1 into x. You can write 1x or you can write x also, plus 2. Now from first two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining x plus 2, plus from here we have to take common 1. Nothing common is here, so we have to write 1, remaining x plus 2. Now again you can see x plus 2, x plus 2. You can write x plus 2. Here is x, so we can write x plus 1 plus 1. Hope you understand this factorization. Now look at number B. Here m square plus 5m plus 4. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 4 and addition is 5. So when you multiply two numbers we get 4, and when you add that two number we get 5. And what are the factors? You have to find out like this. 2 into 2, can we get 5? No. 2 plus 2, can we get 5? No. Again you can do 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, okay, and 4 plus 1, 5. So we have to find out that type of number whose multiplication is 4 and addition is 5, and the factors are 4 and 1. So m square plus, in the place of 5 we have to write 4 plus 1 m plus 4. Now we can write m square plus 4 into m, 4m, plus 1 into m plus 4 plus 4. Now from this two term we have to take common, and the common is m. What is remaining here? M plus 4. From this two term we have to take common, and the common is 1. Nothing common, so we can write here 1, remaining m plus 4. Now m plus 4, m plus 4, so you can take common m plus 4, and what is remaining here? M. So m we have to write plus 1 plus 1. Hope you understand this question. Pravesh Gray, I didn't understand. Try to understand, it's easy. Look at the third one. A square plus 12a plus 20. So when you multiply we have to find out two factors whose multiplication is 20 and addition is 12. When you multiply that number we get 20, and when you add we get 12. So you have to do like this, 20, 2 tens are 20. When you add this 2 we get 12 or not? Yes, 12. And when you multiply we get 20 or not? Yes, we can get 20. So the factors are 10 and 2. 10 into 2, 20, 10 plus 2, 12. So we can write here a square plus, in the place of 12 we have to write 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, a plus 20. Now we have to open the bracket, a square plus 10a plus 2 into a, 2a plus 20. Now you can see from this two term we have to take common, and the common is a, remaining a plus 10, plus from here we have to take common. What is the common? From 2 and 20 common is 2, remaining a plus 2 into which number it will be? 20, definitely 10. 2 tens are 20. Now you can see a plus 10, a plus 10, so we can write a plus 10. Common we have to take, remaining here is a and here is plus 2, so we can write a plus 2. Hope you understand this one. It's very simple. If you didn't watch my video related with exercise 1a, 1b, 1c, you can go in description and you can watch. So there I taught you basic concept, basic knowledge of factorization from start. So if you are new you can watch exercise 1a, exercise 1b, exercise 1c, so you will get the proper knowledge step by step from basic. Okay, now look at this one, question number D. P square plus 11p plus 30. Now we have to factorize this. Look at last one. Here is 30. We have to find out that type of number. We have to find out two factors whose multiplication is 30. When you multiply that two numbers, we get 30, and when you add, we get 11. So how to find out that two factors? You can do like this process. 30 you have to write, so 2 15s are 30. We have to divide 2 15s are how much? 30. Okay, so when you add this two, we get 11. No, we get how much? 17. 2 plus 15 much 17. Again we have to do 3 5s are 15. Now look at here, 3 2s are 6. 6 into 5 how much? 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30, and 6 plus 5 is equal to how much? 11. So when you add, we get 11, and when you multiply, you will get 30. Okay, so p square plus, in the place of 11 we have to write 6 plus 5 p plus 30. So when you multiply, we get 30, and when you add, we get 11. We have to find out factors in this process. Now open the bracket, p square plus 6 into p 6p plus 5 into p 5p plus 30. Now you can see from first two terms, from this two term we have to take common. You can see here, here is p square and here is 6p. So what is the common here? P we can take common, remaining p plus 6 plus, from here 5p plus 30. So what is the common from here? Common is 5, and what is remaining then? P, because 5 already common, remaining p. Here is plus, so plus 5 into which number it will be? 30. 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. This one 6 plus p and this one 6 plus p, these two will be same. If not same, maybe something here mistake. Okay, now p plus 6, p plus 6, we can take p plus 6 common, and what is remaining here? P plus 5. So we can write here p plus 5. This one is answer. Hope you understand this factorization. It's very simple. Now look at this one, y square plus 13y plus 42. Now we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 42, and when you add, and addition is 13. So when you multiply, we get 42, and when you add, we get 13. So we have to find out like this. We have to write here 42. We have to divide first. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. When you add, we get 13. No, definitely not. We get how much? 23. 21 plus 2 means 23. So again we have to do 3 7s are 21. Now 3 into 2 how much? 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to how much? 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. And when you multiply, 6 into 7 is equal to how much? 42. So when you add, we get 13. When you multiply, we get 42. So the factors are 6 and 7. So we can write here y square plus, in the place of 13 we have to write 6 plus 7 y plus 42. Now you can see y square plus 6 into y 6y plus 7 into y 7y plus 42. Now we have to take common from this two term. From first two term we have to take common, and the common is y, remaining y plus 6. Y into y, it will be y square. From 6y, y is already common, so remaining 6, so we have to write on 6 plus. Now you can see from this two term we have to take common. 7 and 21, common is 7. 7 is already common, y is remaining, so y plus is here, plus 7 into which number it will be? Is 42. 7 6 are 42. Now you can see here, here also y plus 6, here also y plus 6, so we can take y plus 6 common, and remaining what is here? Y plus 7 is here, so plus 7. Hope you understand this question number E also. Now look at next, and the question is F. If you didn't watch exercise 1a 1b 1c, so you can go in description, I will give link. You can watch exercise 1a 1b 1c, or I will give the link of class 8 playlist. You can see there every exercise solution you will get there, and if you have any kind of problem you can comment also. Now look at question number F. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 88 and addition is 19. When you multiply, we get 88, and when you add, we get 19. What are the factors? So first of all, we have to find out the factors, but in this process 88 we have to write down. Now you can see here 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So when you add, we get 19. No, definitely not, we cannot get 19, we get 46. We have to add these factors. Again we have to do 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 into 2, 4. 22 plus 4, how much? 26. But we need here 19. So again we have to do here, divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It means 11 into 8 is equal to 88, and 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. So what are the two factors? 11 and 8. So when you multiply, we get 88, and when you add, we get 19. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 88 and addition is 19. X squared plus, so in the place of 19 we have to write 11 plus 8 x plus 88. X squared plus 11 into x, 11x, plus 8 into x, 8x, plus 88. Now from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining x plus 11. X already common, so 11. So 11 we have to write on here is plus, so plus. From here we have to take common 8 and 88. What is the common here? 8 is common, remaining 8 already common. X is here, so x plus 8 into which number it will be? 88. Definitely it will be 11. 8 into 11, it will be 88. Now you can see x plus 11, x plus 11. So we can take common x plus 11, and the remaining is x plus 8. So we can write here x plus 8. Hope you understand this factorization. Now look at next. If you didn't watch exercise 1a, 1b, 1c from basic, if you want to learn from basic, you can go on my class 8 playlist and learn exercise 1a, 1b, 1c, and you can come for exercise 1d. X square minus 4x plus 4. Now this one a little here is minus, in question number 2 all positive, but here you seen here is minus. Okay, now you can now look at here. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 4 and addition is 4. So what we have to write here? X square minus, what are the factors? 2 and 2. This one is simple, so you can write directly also. 2 plus 2 x plus 4. Now x square minus 2 into x, 2x, minus plus minus 2 into x, 2x plus 4. Now from first two term we have to take common, and the common is x, remaining from x square, x is common, so remaining x. Here is minus minus, this x already common, so what is remaining? 2. So 2 we have to write. Now here is minus, so minus 2 and 4, in which table both will come? Definitely 2, so 2 is the common. Remaining, what is remaining here? X. X we have to write. When minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write plus. Why? Because minus minus, it will be plus. So if minus is common, we have to change the sign. Now 2 2s are 4. Now x minus 2, x minus 2, we can take x minus 2 common, and what is remaining here? Remaining means this one x, and here minus 2, so we can write x minus 2. Now you can see these both terms are same, so we can write x minus 2 whole square. Now look at next number, x square minus 3x plus 2. Now we have to find out that type of factor. We have to find out, first of all, we have to find out two factors whose multiplication is 2. When you multiply, we will get 2. When you add, we get 3. So what are the factors? We can do like this: 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, and when you add this 2 and 1, how much we get? 3. Why add? Because here is plus. If here is minus, while subtracting. If here is plus, while adding. So we can write here x square minus, in the place of 3 we have to write 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, how much? 3. X plus 2. Now x square minus 2 into x, 2x minus plus minus 1 into x, x plus 2. Hope you understand up to here. Now from this two term we have to take common, and the common is x remaining. From x square, x is common, so how many x remaining? X, x into x, x is square. Okay, here 2x are here, minus minus 2x. From 2x, x is common, what is remaining? 2, so 2 we have to write, x already common here, bracket off. Now look at here, here is minus, so we have to write minus. From this two term, what is the common? From here nothing is common. If no common, we have to write down 1, give bracket. What is here? X, x. When minus is common, we have to change the sign. I told you, when minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write plus. Here also plus, we have to write minus 2, 2. Why? Because minus minus, it will be plus. When you open the bracket, it will be plus. Now x minus 2, x minus 2, so we can take x minus 2 common, remaining x minus 1. X here, minus 1 here, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, these two are common, x minus 1, x minus 1. Hope you understand. And if you are new, please hit the bell button and subscribe my channel, so you will get the notification of upcoming videos. And please share with your friends, so they can learn factorization from basic. X square minus 9x plus 20, and in question number D is there y square minus 13y plus 40. Now you can see we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 20 and addition is 9. We have to find out two factors. When you multiply, we get 20, and when you add, we get 9. How to find out? You can see here, we have to take 20, so 2 tens are 20. Yes, when you add this 2, we get 9. Definitely not, we get 12 here. So again we have to do 2 5s are 10. Now 2 into 2, how much? 4. 4 into 5, how much? 20. And 4 plus 5, when you add, how much we get? 9, which is here. So when you multiply, we get 20, and when you add, we get 9. 9 means 4 plus 5. These two factors should be same. These two numbers should be same, not different. 10 into 2, 20, and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. We cannot write. We have to find out two factors. When you multiply that two factors, we get 20, and when you add same factor, we get 9. So the factors are 4 and 5. So what we can write here? X square minus, we have to write here 5, 4 plus 5, or 5 plus 4. You can write anything here. 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4, you can write anything. Here is x, so x plus 20. Now x square minus 4 into x, 4x minus plus, minus plus means minus 5 into x, 5x plus 20. Now from first two term we have to take common, and the common is x. What is remaining here? From x square, x is common, x minus 4, here minus. From this two term we have to take 5 common, here is minus, so minus we have to write. From here we have to take, because 5 and 20, in which table both will come? Definitely 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 table, so bracket we have to give 5 common. What is here? X. When minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write on plus. Now 5 into which number it will be? 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay, now you can see x minus 4, x minus 4, we can take x minus 4 common, and the remaining is x minus 5, so x minus 5 remaining. X minus 4, x minus 4, we can take common x minus 4, x minus 5, so x minus 5. One common is there. Where are you from? Actually I am from Dharan, Nepal. Now look at the question number D. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 40. When you multiply that factor, we get 40, and when you add, we get 13. 1 3. So what are the factors? We have to find out like this. We have to write here 40. Okay, we have to do always like this. If you don't know directly, we have to write like this. Okay, I can write directly, but students cannot. So you have to do like this. If you practice again and again, then you can also write directly. So first of all, we have to do like this. Now 2 smallest, by smallest number we have to divide. 2 2s are 4, 0 again. So when you add this to 20 and 2 we get 13, no, we get 22. So again we have to do 2 tens are 20, 2 into 2 4, 10 plus 4 14, but we need here 13. So again we have to do 2 5s are 10. Now look at here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 5, 8 into 5 how much, 5 8s are 40, and 8 plus 5 how much, 13. So what are the factors, 8 and 5. So the factors are 8 and 5. When you multiply we get 40, and when you add we get 13. So y square minus, we can write here 8 plus 5 y plus 40. In the place of 13 we have to write 8 plus 5. You can write 5 plus 8 also, no problem. If addition, no problem, but if subtraction, then there will be problem. Subtraction it will come, so you will understand properly. Y square, now open the bracket, minus 8 into y, 8y, minus plus minus 5 into y, 5y, plus 40 plus 40. From this two term we have to take common, and the common is y, and what is remaining here, y minus 8. Now look at here how this remaining, from y square, y is common, y square, and here y, so common is y, smallest one we have to take common. From y square, y is common, so y remaining, because y into y square, minus minus y already common, what is remaining, 8, so 8 we have to write, minus is here, minus 5 and 40, y is here and y is not here, so y we cannot take common. Here is 5 and 40, 5 how much, the 40 we have to take, in which table 5 and 40 will come, definitely 5, so we have to write here 5 common. Here is y, so y, if minus common we have to change the sign, if plus we have to write minus. Now 5 into which number it will be, 45 8 is 40. Now one thing keep in your mind, this term y minus 8 and y minus 8, these two always same, always equal. If not same, your upside, your factors may be mistake. Now y minus 8, y minus 8, so we can take y minus 8 common. What is here remaining, y, so we have to write y. Here is minus 5, so we have to write on minus 5. Hope you understand this question number D. If you are understanding, you can just hit the like button and please comment. E, p square minus 11p plus 28, f, x square minus 19xy plus 78y square. Now look at this one. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 28, and when you add we get 11. How to find out this factor? I taught you so many times how to find out. Now you have to find out like this, 28, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So when you add this 2 we get 11, definitely not, we get how much here, 14 plus 2 16 we get. Again we have to do 2 sevens are 14, okay, 2 twos are how much, 4, 7 plus 4 how much, 11. Yes, the factors are 7 and 4. When you add 7 and 4, 2 into 2 4, this one is 4, when you add we get 11, and when you multiply 7 and 4 we get 28. So what we can write here, p square minus, so in the place of 11 we have to write 7 plus 4, 7 fours are 28, and 7 plus 4 11, p plus 28. Okay, up to here. After this, p square minus 7 into p, 7p, minus plus minus 4 into p, 4p plus 28. Now from this two term we have to take common, and what is the common from p square and p, common is p, smallest one we have to take, remaining p minus, p already common, what is remaining, 7, so 7 we have to write on. Now from this two term we have to take common, here is minus, we have to write minus 4 and 28, which table both will come, we have to take SCF. So here we can get 4 is common. I taught you how to take common in exercise 1a 1b. If you didn't watch, you can go on my playlist of class 8 maths, or I will give link in description, you can watch from there too, and please share with your friends. 4 common. What is remaining now? Here is p, so p. When minus is common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write minus. If minus, we have to write on plus. So here is plus, so we have to write on minus. Yes, we have to change the sign. If plus, then minus, minus then plus. 4 into which number? It will be 28. Definitely 7. 4 sevens are 28. If here is p minus 7, definitely here also you will get p minus 7. This two always same. Now p minus 7, p minus 7, you can take p minus 7 common. What is remaining? P minus 4. So we can write here p minus 4. Hope you understand this question. Now next question number F. We have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 78 and addition is 19. Addition here is plus, so addition is 19. Thank you, Razan. Here is by multiplying 78 and addition is 19. So we have to find out factors. First of all, 78, 2 3s are 6, 18, 2 9s are 18. When you add, we get 19. No, we cannot get 19. Again we have to do 3 1s are 3, 3 0s are 9, 3 2s are how much? 6. So 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. 13 into 6 is equal to 78. So we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 78 and addition is 19. So the factors are 13 and 6. We have to find out same factor. When you multiply, we get 78, and when you add, we get 19. Now x square minus, in the place of 19, what we have to write? 13 and 6. 13 plus 6. Here is xy, so xy plus 78y square. Just in the place of 19, we have to write on 13 plus 6. Other everything same in same place. X square minus 13 into xy, 13xy minus plus minus 6 into xy, 6xy plus 78y square. Hope you understand up to here. Now from this two term we have to take common, and what is the common here? Here is x square, here is 13xy, so common is x. From x square, x is common, so x remaining minus x already common, remaining 13y, so we have to write here 13y. Now you can see here from this two term what we have to take common? 6 and 78. From this two term what we can take common? Common 6, because in 6 table 6 and 78 we will get. Okay, now here is xy, here is y square, so what is the common here? Y. Okay, y common, y and y square. Smallest one we have to take y. X we cannot take common because here is x, x is not here, so x cannot take common, so 6y is common. So what is remaining here? 6y already common, here is x, so x. When you take minus common, we have to change the sign. If plus, we have to write on minus. 6 into which number? It will be 78. 6 1 is 6 and 1 it will go here 18. 6 3 is 18. From y square, y is common, so y remaining. Okay, now one thing keep in your mind, this and this term both will be same. If not same, your something mistake here, you have to understand. Now x minus 13y, x minus 13y, so we can take x minus 13y common. What is remaining here? X, so x minus 6y minus 6y. This one is answer. Hope you understand this factorization question number 2 and 3, and upcoming videos related with question number 5 and 6. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you understand, please hit the like button and comment which type of question and videos you need, so I can upload as soon as possible. And please share with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep in touch. Keep supporting.